Hello! In this video tutorial I'll show you how to make tulip flowers. They're so nice and easy to do. For the purple I use cotton yarn 50 grams 300 meters and for the yellow 170 meters in 50 grams. Crochet hook 1.75. Let's start. Start from the chain 15. This is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. Turn, skip the first loop and starting from the second loop, make 3 single crochet. 1, 2 and 3. Now make 1 half double crochet, yarn over, bring it up, work through 3 loops at once. Now make 3 double crochet, 1, 2 and 3. Now make 3 treble crochet, yarn over 2 times, work through 2 and through 2 and repeat 2 more times. In the third one. Now make 1 double crochet, 1 half double crochet, 1 single crochet, and now into the very last loop we will make 3 single crochet to turn and to work on the other side. 1, insert the hook into the same top loop, 2 and 3. 3 single crochet into the very last loop. Turn and continue the work on the other side in reverse way. 1 single crochet, 1 half double crochet, 1 double crochet. Now make 3 treble crochet, 2 and 3. Ready? Now make 3 double crochet, 1, 2, 3. Now make 1 half double crochet, and 3 single crochet. 1, 2 and 3. Slip stitch into the last loop to join. Ready? Next row we continue on the side, make 2 single crochet, 1, 2, 1 half double crochet, 3 double crochet, 1, 2 and 3. Now make 3 treble crochet into the same loop. 2 times yarn over, insert the hook into the next loop and make 3 treble crochet shawl, also called. Ready? Now make 3 double treble crochet into the next loop. Yarn over 3 times, insert the hook into the next loop and work through 2 4 times. This is 1, this is 2, and the third one. Ready? Now turn our work to the wrong side, make 1 chain to bring up the yarn, and starting from the very first loop, make 2 single crochet into the first loop and then work per 1 single crochet in each loop. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. Ready? Now you can make slip stitch into the top loop to join and continue work on the other side, also onto the wrong side, and make the same way what we've done before. 2 single crochet, 1 half double crochet, 3 double crochet, 1 2 and 3. Now make 3 treble crochet shawl into the next loop. 1 into the same loop, 2 and 3. Ready? Now make double treble crochet shawl into the next loop. Also make 3 of them. This is 2 and 3. Ready? Now turn our work, make 1 chain to bring up the yarn, insert the hook into the very first loop and make 2 single crochet. Continue work in each loop, make 1 single crochet. And 1 more. Ready? Now we need to join with slip stitch into the very top loop. Ready? All done. Our tulip flower is ready. Now we can cut the yarn and hide the tails. That's how tulip look like in the end. And I made another one in yellow color. That's face side, and here's the wrong side. I hope you enjoyed the video. If yes, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give thumbs up. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye bye.